And guys, hindi ko na alam park to. Hindi ko na alam park to, pero meron bago. Pet ba to or bago? What is that? I need to come there. Huh? No way. Ah! What? Ang ganda, guys. Ang ganda. 0 point. No way, what is that? I don't care. What is that? What is that? Man, I want to show you something, guys. I cannot believe that I don't need carrot. Guys, what is this? Just say to me, guys. Say to me. Guys, tulungan niyo ako. Yung pinsan ko na tutulong sa akin. What? Oh, like ano, mutation. Men, kailangan ko yan sa mga karot. Baka kasi pag nalagyan ng mga karot ko, syempre alam nyo na guys. Parang yan sa mga Zen shop. Well, I have so many lollipops. Oh, it is like a bee. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm understand now. Man, I'm understand. What the? Don't be shy. What is this? Blah blah blah. I don't need anything. Huh? Wait, what? Lock. What is this? Guys, ano to? Wala na natin ulit magano, guys. This hours will be. What? Oh, no. I need that. Huh? Oh no. No, don't come back. We need 56 minutes. Oh, okay. Man, guys. Shop. Sage. What the hell? And this? Nope. What is all of them? Is there a new? No mutation. But nothing good? Is there nothing good, man? Is there nothing good? Don't be liar. Don't be liar, Sam. Please. If you go there, guys, if you go there, here. I like you, Coochie.
Uy, Mano, manta ka na! Ayaw mo naman, ha? Kasi wala.
Guys, where is that? Where is that little bee? Oh, yep, I got you. Huh? No! Kaya ayaw ko dito No way, that pet is so legendary. She give me anything. Oh my god, she has. Show me your shop. We need more. Yep. Can I go check again? What is this? Strawberry? I don't have any strawberry. 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 Men guys, antayin nyo na ng ulit guys ha. Papakita ko sa inyo next time. Or maybe not next time. Antayin natin commutation guys. guys, welcome back. Ito na yung corrupted kitsune ko. Done. Shiny! Are you serious? Nag-wait ako na nag-wait. Tapos ito na talaga mapapala ako, guys. Tangina nyo. Patayin ko na sarili ko. Okay, guys. Yung Tanuki naman. Everyone favorite Tanuki. Okay, she's there. And the bean. Man, buti. Meron pa ako extra ng lollipop din. And the bean. Please like and subscribe for for part 2 to your Tanuki. Goodbye, everyone.